Hey guys, Mark again here with Eliminator Boats. This is the 2021 255 Speedster, which is based off the 25 Daytona bottom. This boat features a carbon Kevlar hull, twin 300 Mercury Racing outboards. This boat does about between 110 and 115 miles an hour. Suede interior, similar features as the 27 with the finished underneath the hatch, buoy storage, and also your hideaway bimini. So this one's a little bit more low profile than the 27, a lot lighter and flightier, more performance. And you can pick up one of these for about $220,000.